In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a glass shatter transition in After Effects. Let's get to it. Here we are in After Effects. I've got two videos on the timeline that are overlapping. First, I'm going to open Effects and Presets and search for Shatter. Then add this effect to the second video, the one that is on top. Then head over to the Effect Controls panel, set the view to be rendered. And here we're going to adjust a couple of settings to make the effect look better. Expand the shape settings and set pattern to be glass. Then I'm going to increase the number of repetitions to 15. The higher this value, the smaller and the more pieces you will get. Then for the extrusion depth, I'm going to set it to 0.1. So this way the glass pieces will have some thickness to them. Then open Force 1 and I'm going to set a radius to 0.6. And if that does not cover entire composition for you, you can increase this number further. And I'm going to set the strength to 3 so that the shatter effect doesn't happen too quickly. Now, if we preview this from the beginning, we should have a decent enough glass shatter effect. But you can see that it starts as soon as the video starts playing. If you want to time the transition, you can keyframe the radius in the Force 1. So let's say I want the transition to happen at 1 second. So I'm going to move the time indicator to 1 second and create a keyframe for radius at 0.6. Then move 1 frame back and set radius to 0. So now if we preview this from the beginning, the video will play normally until it reaches 1 second, and then the shatter transition will happen. And then from this point, you can add extra effects such as glow and like RGB splitting. So search for glow in Effects and Presets. So let's add it to the same video, the one that is on top. Then press U on a keyboard to see the previous keyframes that you made, and we're going to keyframe the glow intensity the same way. So come to 1 second, keyframe the glow intensity at 1, go 1 frame back, and set glow intensity to 0. So we have no glow until 1 second. And let's also search for VR digital glitch. Also add it to the same video layer. Then go to 1 second, open distortion settings, set everything except color distortion to 0. And then let's set color distortion to 10 just to get slight RGB splitting and create a keyframe, go 1 frame back and set it to 0. So now if we do the preview, nothing happens, and then we have this nice glass shatter effect with some glow and some RGB splitting. So that's how you create a glass shatter effect in After Effects. Thanks for watching.